Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamantungwa Khumalo. What home loan can you afford? Working out how much you can afford is quite a simple process. All you have to do is go online and use an affordability calculator. Typically, you would insert what your salary is, what your expenses are, the interest rate, and the loan term. From this, you'll be able to get just about how much you will qualify for. Remember, a rule of thumb is that a third of your salary goes towards your bond repayment. Just based on this alone, you should have a rough estimation of how much you can afford. Remember to get pre-qualified so you get the exact number of how much you can qualify for. For more tips and advice on all things property, go to our blog on www.builders.co.za.